How to save Telegram photos in gallery automatically. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Telegram. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left corner, then click on settings. And here scroll down to the settings section, and from there click on data and storage. And here you will see a section that says automatic media download. And this is what we want to focus on. As you can see, it has several options to automatically download media when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, and etc. So what you need to do is you need to, depending on your needs and what you want, click on the toggle next to each option to turn it on. And by doing this, the media will be downloaded automatically when using either one of these networks, depending on what you selected. You can turn some of them off and leave others on, or you can turn all of them on to always download media such as photos and videos automatically. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can save and download Telegram photos to your gallery automatically. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.